This content brought to you by Arm & Hammer Baking Soda, the standard of purity used around the world. Buy you some Arm & Hammer Baking Soda today.
And if this disappoints you, well, you're just going to have to learn to live with disappointment.
Ha. Stand that one up in the corner. See what happens. Nature of experimentation, right? I guess I could watch somebody else's video and see what happens, but hey, what's the fun in that? So I'm trying to get like lines on that hand poured bar.
Man in a white coat.
And we have the Dallas bar in there sideways as well. Well, not all that great. With the stronger solution, it changed from the solution to the neutralizing bath. This skull was a lot more purple when I pulled it out, and now it's almost entirely blue. It's cool as hell, don't get me wrong. You gotta enjoy that color. But everything else, not so much. The fake Morgan turned just a little bit, and again, the color's faded once I put it in the neutralizing solution. This had distinct bands. It was gold, blue, and purple. And once I put it in the neutralizing solution, this all turned blue. And this one, I don't know what happened here. When I started wiping it, the color just came off. So I imagine this was coated from the mint with something that didn't wash off fully with just soap and water. And of course the Clad did nothing, and I'm sure there's somebody out there saying the Clad won't do anything. And that's exactly what it did. It turned a little bit. The copper around the edges turned, but that wiped off. So the best one out of the bunch by far is that one. Followed runner-up by that hand poured bar by the man in the white coat, second hand. And the rest of it was just failures. So we'll holler at you later. There it is, waxed and buffed out and set in the keyring. It's not terrible. It's not what I was hoping for either. Anyway, Man Mountain Link out.